Imagine yourself in this 2012 Ford Falcon. Experience the comfort of driving this well-presented vehicle with a reliable engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. Run all over town without worrying about filling up. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: an alarm system, a CD player, a CD stacker, central locking, cruise control, curtain head airbags, power mirrors, power windows, satellite navigation, stability control. Premium wheels give a more luxurious look. Enjoy the flexibility of multi-zone temperature controls. The anti-lock braking system will help to keep you safe on the road. Safety is often a big concern, and if it is important to you, know this car comes equipped with the right safety equipment. Contact us to get behind the wheel today.